fam, we're here with another video. Coming with ya here at the Dole Plantation on Oahu. Super psyched.
Yes.
We're gonna have some Dole Whip. We're gonna ride the train. We're gonna do
everything.
All the goods. So it's pretty packed. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. We're here in the afternoon. It's on a Saturday, so you do what you gotta do. Right, baby? Yes. Psych. Check you back in a second. We're on the garden tour. Tiki. Foxtail palm. We have lots of those, right? Kind of around the house.
I don't know, actually.
The tea leaf garden. The tea plant. It's a member of the lily family. Alright folks, although the garden is quite cool, we got some bananas and cool plants. I think our challenge today is gonna say, let's do a sick B-roll. Am I right, baby?
Yeah.
Alright, check it out. Let's see how I do. Alrighty fam, we all out. We out of the gardens. We're gonna go get some Dole Whip.
You wanna rate the garden?
Oh, the garden?
Experience.
If they give you a tour, I'm sure it's a lot better, but living here in Hawaii, just saw a lot of plants that we see everywhere. So
wouldn't recommend for natives.
Wouldn't recommend for natives. 4 out of 10 for plant and information. So check it out if you like plants. If not, yeah. Oh snap. What'd you get, babe?
I got the waffle bowl.
Waffle bowl.
She's loading it. There was like 4 scoops of pineapple.
Delicious. I got the waffle cone. Equally.
Holy cow, that's huge.
Delicious.
She did like 5 huge things. I know. We should have shared one. Yeah.
Maybe.
We shared that one.
Yeah.
And no, it's moved out there. That's
It's like a foot tall.
well, I'm glad because it was kind of expensive. It was like $11.
Yeah, it's all expensive.
Well, which is nice.
Yeah. What do you expect?
And it's oh my gosh, it's huge. It's big. Thank you.
Sheesh.
Oh.
Quick update. I've eaten down some. Sophia's working on that mountain.
Trying.
It's really sweet. It's tasty.
Yeah.
But it's just so sweet. Like I'm like, oh, I don't know if I'll finish this. We're like, we should have just shared.
This one.
But you live and you learn. So if you're watching this and you come here, know that
Share.
that thing is a monster. Even this cone was
sure.
like a lot of Dole Whip. So We'll catch you back because we're getting on the train soon. See you in a second. Pineapple Express. Oh, this next one. All right, thank you. Pineapple Express train. Yes, ma'am. Gang, about to get this party started. Got an empty train. We got the peeps coming though. We're gonna get started in un segundo. 3 hours later. Just kidding. But we have been waiting here for like an hour, so sleepy.
Yes. Huh.
Yeah. But we're excited. About to get this party started. Oh, very funny. Alrighty, we just got off the train. How was it, babe? Give us a full review, full rundown.
We waited in line for a little while, which I think is normal. It's a Saturday. And I think it just opened up, right? I mean, not just, but it's been open only for a little while.
Yeah.
But it was, I don't know. I thought it was nice. What did you think? Look at those.
Yeah, it was really pleasant. The ride was good. There was a little audio tour that went on. You can maybe hear it in the video. Yeah, skip the garden tour. Take the train. It kind of shows you all the plants and everything.
And the same kind of information.
Yeah. So yeah, take the train. Don't do the garden tour. Maybe the maze will be fun. So that's the lowdown. Yeah, look at these guys.
Lots of ponds.
Send the GoPro down. Put it around my wrist. So I don't have
They're all cleaned up just for a second.
I know. Well,
Like a bunch of them.
I'm wondering if they normally have food.
Oh.
Yeah. plant.
To feed to some people.
Yeah,
I bet. Look up.
yeah, right over here. But now they don't. So now they're just hungry goldfish or koi.
I gotta get me some.
Sophia's a little chilly. Oh, look at this little baby pineapple growing. So there's not much, but there's that one. I saw this one over here. Well, this is, oh, South America pineapples. So that's a, you know, beginnings of a little pineapple. Kind of cool. So we're gonna go over here. We'll check back in a second. All right, fam, we didn't check out at the plantation, the Dole Plantation, but the visit was good. You know, the train ride was, I would only recommend the train ride, and then get some Dole Whip and then head on to the North Shore or back into town, whatever you want. It was a good trip. We're here at Foodland right now in Laie. Sophia's picking up some stuff, so we're checking out for the day. But as always, like, subscribe, comment. Love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye.